Mitch, this is your Mother's Day gift. As you can see, right away the padding.
Come here, woman.
Be able to sleep on this.
I like to see how.
Then you have the pad for the headrest.
They want your one seat home.
Ah,
Boy, huh?
you have different
Don't think I'll-
levels, and it goes completely flat, completely. Then you have this hidden gem.
Come on, son. I'll beat you to a pulp.
And it has this for your head. You put it there. You have your phone. And you're suntanning or relaxing. And in your hands, can you see the holes?
Yeah.
My head goes here, my hands are in here, and I got the phone. Backside is tan. In comfort. Love it, Mitch. Thank you.
Cut.
Yes, I